Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'm going to show you the procedure to use Perplexity AI for summarizing. Perplexity AI for summarizing, you could go with the various tools, types of content, including web, as well as article or YouTube videos, and upload documents as well. And what you want to do is open up Perplexity app onto your device, or you could use the web version of it as well. If you are using the web version of it, type in Perplexity on the web address bar and log into your account. You could also summarize the articles and web page. So just have to do is navigate to Perplexity AI. All you need is at the search field, you just have to go ahead and paste in the link or the URL of the article into the Ask Anything box over here at the bottom, and add a prompt like summarize this article for me. And then you could go ahead and install the Perplexity extension as well if you want, if you're using a browser version of it. And if you want to analyze or summarize the YouTube content, right? So all you have to do is paste the YouTube link into a chat box and ask, can you summarize the main point of this video, or use a more detailed prompt to extract the full transcript and outline as well. You could also use the focus button. So for that, you could just click onto it, and there you could go ahead and toggle the button for it as well. And this way you'll be able to summarize using Perplexity AI. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.